Hello, today I'm going to be unboxing the Ezdiy DIY Fab 5-pack RGB fans. I haven't posted a video in a while, but I hope you all are doing well. I am doing okay myself. Hopefully you guys enjoy this. So in the box we get the fans inside of here. Now let's take each of them out. We get the manual for the controller. You get the fans themselves. You get all 5. Then we get a remote control. Very nice remote control. And then we get the 5 fans. So we get one, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then this is our controller right here. And then right over here is our screws. Our screws right here for the case. They screw into the case, and then there should be the RGB header somewhere in here for the fans. I just try to find it. At least I think there was supposed to be one for here. But yeah, thank you for watching and have a nice day.